Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm getting ready to prepare a nice rack of lamb chops for the grill later. So we're gonna cut these up. Got my seasoning on here on the table, and we're gonna let them marinate for a couple hours. And later on, we're gonna put these bad boys on the grill. So to start off, I will start cutting these lamb chops up. Oh yeah, see that? Oh, look at that. All right, cut them up nicely. Make sure I cut my fingers here. Go. Nicely cut up. This is my first time doing this. I like lamb, but we usually got my lamb chops all cut up. The rack of lamb chops. Got them all laid out here. We're gonna start preparing the marinating that I have for this. Here we have some parsley, fresh parsley. 3 things of garlic. We have some rosemary, onion powder, whole oregano, cayenne pepper, some thyme. Oh yeah, and some hot sauce, which we like. I like a little spicy in it. Fresh lemon. And we are gonna get ready to rock and roll. So, let's do this right. All right, one more thing I did forget was olive oil. Need that. And we're gonna get prepared to blend all this into this little bad boy right here. Mix it up. Make a little paste out of this. So I'm gonna open this up here. We're gonna get the garlic. We're gonna crush these up a little bit. Yeah, I like garlic. So as you can see, 3 of them going in here. Garlic breath. Oh yeah. My wife loves when I have the garlic breath and I give her a good kiss. Here we go. Yep. You know, right now with all this COVID stuff going on, it's a little dangerous to be going out to eat. So we try to bring the best to our house. Get the parsley, throw it in there. Oh yeah. Oh, good old hot sauce. A little kick to it, you know. We're gonna add in some olive oil. A good tablespoon of olive oil. Make it a tablespoon and a half. All right. Set this here. Then get some onion powder. I like to eye it. Get a little bit of whole oregano. It's nice to have these herbs in here. Yeah, so whole oregano. A little bit of rosemary. Cayenne pepper. Ooh, nice. It actually gives it a nice little color also. There we go. We have the thyme. Add the thyme in there. Give it a good 2 or 3 pinches of this. Baby, we need some romantic music, don't you think? I was singing, but I don't want you ladies to fall in love with me while I sing. We got the black pepper. This is very good for this, so, you know, make sure you add a little bit of extra black pepper in there. Yeah, you got heartburn, just do it. But I'm okay with the heartburn right now. And number 1 ingredient, add some kosher salt. Not regular salt, kosher salt. All right. I know you guys are gonna love this video. Make sure you subscribe to my wife's channel, please. All right. Alrighty. Now that we have, oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to add the lime, the lemon, okay? The lemon. Need the lemon. They're gonna squeeze it in there. There we go. All right. Now that we have all our stuff in here, take the lid, close this bad boy up. All right. Take it over. Add all our ingredients into this little bad boy right here. You just press a little pulse. Little tick. Get a nice mix in there. Get that bad boy. All right. It should be good. The end result. Over to the top. All right, it's all done. We got all this stuff mixed in here. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Smell that. Smell that, babe. Smell that, baby. Oh yeah, you see that. Okay? So we got our lamb chops laid out here. Okay? As you can see, you want to make sure spread them out nicely like this. And you just take this bad boy, and by the way, I wash my hands, okay? Just add it in there, on there. You know, we're gonna let these bad boys marinate for a good 4 or 5 hours. Later on, I will start that grill up. Yeah, turn them around. Later on, what was it? Yep. So make sure when you're doing this, you get these little skinny legs here on here, right? Yeah. Yep. 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 Oh yeah. Yep. We have a lot of things going on in the future. We're gonna start, doing about live videos on our little trips that we do make. You know, this way we can share our life experience with everybody and how much of a good time we have together. Hopefully this will help some bonding with a lot of relations that are going bad or need a little bit of help and stuff like that. You know, company with my wife is great, so it's nice to have a best friend and a loving wife. So we're gonna do this here. Almost done. Yeah. Maybe give it a nice little close up here to they can see how nice these things gonna look. Yeah. Yep. Try to get the sides and everything, you know, real good. Yeah. It's so tempting to even lick this. Yee. Yep. Yep. Like I was saying earlier, we have a lot of things going on in the future, video wise. Trying to get my garage built, get my gym in there. Yeah, my wife's business, and we got a lot. Always busy, and I'm working a lot of hours at work, so yeah, this is what we're gonna do on our time off. Let's make videos. All right, we got all these babies all ready. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, woo woo! We got a Tupperware. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna place these bad boys in here. Ooh. Yeah. Let them marinate for a few hours. Oh yeah. It's a little spicy. I kind of like that. Whoa. Yeah. Grab all this up. Oh. Good thing about cooking, you make your own recipes. You know? Get herbs and seasonings that you like. Make it to your own liking. Don't have to be perfect, as long as it's good at the end, right? You get better. You'll get better, that's it. So, that's how they look in here. We're gonna set these in the refrigerator for a little bit. Thank you for watching. Well, this is my Cuisinart Grill. Take a video. It sponsors. Hopefully Cuisinart gives me a call, you know. Maybe throw me another free grill. But check this out. I got it preheated to 500. I turned it down to a medium-high heat. The lamb chopping's in there. All right. Nice big grill. I like it. Yeah. You want to keep these in each side about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, and that's about it. I don't want them fully cooked. About 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 4:10. All right. Hopefully these taste good. Remember, this is my first time doing this. I'm not saying I'm a chef. I'm just enjoying my... Well, we reached the temperature. These bad boys are right. Woo! Nice. They're right. Wow, look at them. Nice little grill marks on there. Real nice. Look at that. Like a professional. I'm far from a professional. All right. Very good, very good, very good. Well, my wife says I do the honors to try and taste this first. Well, you can see that medium well in there. Looks good.
I don't like your
right? Let's see. Wow. I swear to God, I took a bite to that and the juices just burst. Oh my God. Baby, you want some?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Is that good or what?
Sarap. Okay, let's eat now.
Well, look at her. She's getting
Say
a little
bye-bye.
anxious.
Say
But let me
bye-bye.
say something to you guys. For my very first time for making these, I seasoned them up. They are delicious. All right. You take a bite into these things, the flavor just comes out. Don't forget, subscribe to my wife's channel. Everybody stay COVID free. God bless y'all and have a beautiful day. We will enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hi guys. Now we're gonna eat because we already tested it. Okay. So let's eat.
Let's have a toast.
Okay.
So, we also got a little bottle of Rosado. Very good. Sweet wine. It's very good if you like it. Is that good, baby, or what?
Very good.
Not bad for, I'm telling you. I'm very surprised myself. They are delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, love.
Wait, oh my God.
Sorry. A little bit only. Stop.
You don't drink much.
Bye-bye.
But let's have a toast
I said bye-bye.
to happiness
I love you.
and health. I love you too.
We're gonna eat. Bye.
Have a beautiful Sunday.